How to fix Google Drive not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So just swipe up. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. You will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here, scroll down and search Drive apps. You will see Drive app is here, so click on Drive app. Scroll down and click on storage. So after click on storage, so if you want to fix Drive not working problem, so click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, click on clear data. So after clear data, you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Google Drive not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.